Most people use the words emotion, mood, and state as if they mean the same thing, but they are not the same thing. And without distinguishing between them, it becomes difficult to understand our own behavior. Emotion is usually the fastest layer. It is often tied to a specific stimulus. A message arrives, a conversation changes tone, a memory appears, the system reacts. That reaction may last seconds or minutes. Emotion is signal. Mood is different. Mood is more persistent. It is the residue left behind after repeated emotional patterns. Physiology, environment, stress, recovery, and attention begin accumulating across time. Sometimes mood has a clear cause, sometimes it does not. A person may say they feel off without being able to explain why. State is larger than both emotion and mood. State is the overall configuration of the system. It includes activation, physiology, attention, environment, recovery status, nervous system tone, and cognitive orientation. State determines how thoughts are processed, how attention is allocated, how stress is interpreted, and how behavior emerges. Emotion exists inside state. Mood exists inside state. But state shapes how both are experienced. This matters because most people try to solve state problems at the emotional level. They attempt to control individual feelings while ignoring the larger system configuration producing them. That often creates frustration. Emotion is transient. Mood is unstable. State is foundational. If the system is overstimulated, fragmented, sleep-deprived, inflamed, distracted, or continuously interrupted, emotional volatility increases. Mood becomes less stable. Attention becomes inconsistent. Behavior becomes harder to regulate. This is why performance cannot be understood through motivation alone. A person may care deeply and still perform poorly if the underlying state is unstable. Likewise, a person may appear calm externally while internally operating in a highly dysregulated state. Without language for state, we misinterpret ourselves. We blame character when the issue is configuration. We blame discipline when the issue is instability. We blame emotion when the issue is the larger system underneath it. Emotion is the signal, mood is the residue, state is the system that shapes them both.